All right, so during today's video, this one's for people who have a YouTube channel or social media account, and you're looking to get more sponsorship deals. Now, the thing is, what do you say to someone? How do you find these people? So today, I'm using Clay, Smart Lead, and AI Magic to personalize outreach to influencer marketing managers at brands that sponsor YouTubers. So I use Clay. By the way, so this is for my friend's YouTube channel. He makes short horror films. And I did some initial research to figure out what companies are most known to sponsor YouTubers. So I have them on the far left. I filtered the list for people who have specific job titles related to influencer marketing partnerships. And then I started to do some more research with their Claygen tool to figure out what were the past campaigns of last year and what are the active campaigns this year so that I can create a very compelling message to them about how we can potentially collaborate. And this is how it looks. So if I expand this, you'll see there's 3 ideas from ChatGPT, and I'll share all the prompts in the full-length video. But the first example is, here's how I think we can collaborate. We can create a 30-second horror-themed skit highlighting the importance of tracking subscriptions featuring Rocket Money in a comical, spooky storyline. So, this is a fun way, just something for this partnerships manager to think about. And I'll include all of these later in the full-length video. I created the subject line, the body, and I used the native integration with Smart Lead to push all of this data into my email outreach campaign. So this is all done for me. The enrichment was done automatically. The research was done automatically. It's pretty cool. So you can see the full result right here. Now, if you're interested in the full length video, which is over 20 minutes long, drop a comment down below. I'll share it with you. That includes all the AI prompts and kind of like the thinking and methodology behind how I'm doing this. And yeah, let me know if this is interesting and use this to get more sponsors for your YouTube channel.